na kwaba sonko de Badwam Ahosepe jumezedo na anepe na kampana bi chia French o bonjour mademoiselle ana meswe into no comment tout appel me ka French o sande can promise the new song you know French wo into no ma mesisi ano ye ma obi ankwanja hen ya so bosia kru na bia me besia ntamano a is bo hu ho mo frama ntino ane pay mo French am za to fomenyen na za otinye there weekend was a good weekend weekend nyama bebre kodo o Ghana hade ba me macho be na mo won ati me yubo ko be ma mo kwae no me catch show the weekend no not o zongo fair you know June music no onye Adom TV na ya partner na yaze zongo fair no yaze bro no your 2 days Saturday and a Sunday into no one ma want to one bo na watina TV ho no hu na nija yaje e wo honom da mara na honom so obo honom no so no a wo feel ye papa because na azna ya hom ka papa ona santefo e wo kan de sensu ohwe wa ka se hwe men ka se petim so there be so bo wa kanokwa into no say ehwe event na sa nyama bebre kodo honom or ye fancy nkofo botana ze honom apart from that there was a bouncy castle and I'm from no woguda warfo na warko warba we boxing night after the lunch na we lunch we na we boxing no so no mo from akakrama na we boxing we na wa compare fu kakra wa da compare fu na che dey as no we feel keke na ni nyina no we peace na yere bohu de wur into no my kwhwe boxing night no activities no also atasa ba meja mo kakran into no my kwhwe boxing night no mosma okay okay zongo fair no okay papa now before this boxing night Mr. Sandy me kebi na ye tutu no na oyehu papa because na ahemfo no zongo chiefs no waraba no so that was one na ponko do na ponko no minim se wanum bibio sam ponko no se won gbefu sa nwum no ye won do because ponko no Jesus wonya wo chede wonya abotar muhu ponko nya abotar wo mi ase me beyi mu da mo ponko no wonya abotar into no boxing night again na Mr. Sandy jinemu o honom zan na weba minimaze say won ponko ni videos ni because won ponko ni most no wolu huhuru no ye hu papa but before that no mayen kwhwe no da zo kwodo o honom concert no ya hom kaye papa nanka dum sole ya ho but masa ye je na ndo da atasa into no when the Shane or Raskuku perform me can share when the Shane performance no ya ba na ya bo share okay sister Shane my head back to back honom na squeeze my tomato no Master Abraham me said the tomatoes no onia Master Abraham is just na me na hwefo no ono botu wachi na Wendy na baba answer Wendy my yentna ase wo cafe ba no ai na yetwetwe na mo nkomo no na squeeze my tomato me alpe minim tomato sembiara o ha de na motenye de na nkuti no perform e wo ho no Raskuku nso na o ho no mti me yekwhwe puo performance no na yemre sisi ya so na dane if you alone they do now me come say you do now baby and me shepa baby and me try papa you do then you do so me them one ready ni go yi wa ma me fool one so na dane we say when you anti am a bit poor don't be for ha mo ma me tipo die for mo ma me tipo zongo kebi emi jama mi ti zongo wo ye fresh angasa until me say mami ti zongo and wo ye me de angasa kujo branch mami ti zongo watch the phone try you Nelly and watching the phone you try videos he is a mom now so no say phone mponi ehu na say ye mo performance na kasa za ma me e bo do ko ye yan kasa na ye do wunti no ya package ni nyina nti no ye fanda e bi after elections no another be from nda kesi e bia egudere hwadum TV ano ye bobo bia na itum na enjoy ho anchamba ntanya hwe ai we got you, we still got you. Into no yebo zongo fair performances ni bi ma wona. Mpo anko na meka won ho asam no, hey. Me yesa sand ye ze me ka kam na nyim tata ampo do baby no, mpa baby ko na bi meka hye because na wosima nyamare ye na nyan. Sister, I will share mpo anko no keche bi wo yi wo ho no ma ye mbre sisi a. Se oba. Na nchema menyim de mponkwaze woko won anyim de na mponkwe won ko won anyim na mponkwe woko won side and side what direct won mponye eh mponkwo stubborn na mom hwe do che me gina ha me pe me zo ho afa we ba oye aboka kro ya ate me fa me fies na nsa na mba me fa me da bi me free ho na ya ko show time do oye weekend the deputy minister of tourism no fi had Marco Kreku Mante fine boy is fine boy papa na what say there minister be chema na edwuma oye nto edwuma na oye na azrinya nyipo nyini ye edwuma omo no ho pa ye Lord Kenya mankan kana asem no bebre te na ye masanko.
Who did you work with that you regretted ever working with
as an artist?
Yes.
Hey, baby, they show me you. Nti omodo so answer top of mind bed in some kai.
Okay.
But no ye ma de me ye me yaw. Pa. And I think because we can say amponsa say me. So I thought every artist was like amponsa. No ye ma de me ye me yaw. Was Lord Kenya.
I didn't know yeah.
I took him like Minia. You're a damn back. But I apologize to me on radio, so I don't want to talk about it.
Well, he left you for the purpose of those who do not know. No. Yeah.
The problem is say in Susunkasa. We di misika or your comfort to extend that me do barrier cry we come say between me say
yes.
You know we are musicians, you know. Yeah, that's why I touch on the fact that digital era no. That confusion.
Yeah,
and let me tell you the difference here. Yeah. Before you come, sorry to interject. That's why Jamina took Kokoko Award and said, "No, but he said that I want to thank God Almighty, and then I want to thank Marco Krekumante." And the following day or 2 or 3 later, he came for Joy FM interview and said, irrespective of the issues he had with me, my input gave the album that success. But Kenya took the same night and said, I thank my mother and my father.
Wow.
But the award was for Sikaba. Sabi when we do to the program here program Sikaba no.
Okay, into no chema wapanicho live on radio and a man kind of pink areas of Kakrabat there be yeah resourceful. I mean you touch not my anointed man touching no mom yes you be from no to the beer you're grateful kakra what the be a relationship with the person I say me ba na mendo kakra the mazo no personal experience into no yen so be film there you be a fine na say ehwe bo anyimpa na za abo na say later on anyi nya issue a member how to make a consent bebre ma me onboa onye necessary atasa hwe relationship na anyi no wono na bu onyu ogodo ti no also okay ya ne pay me cheers console kodo touch not my anointed inti onya me na baba touch ai inti me dey si ho na yenchi ado Jackie eraba ni chirema as I find the pressure pa ni wati mo pressure me fan the side because no you pressure ho e man pressure 1 2 3 obosun ahyew no Jackie we Gen Z suspect was Gen Z for nankasa na pressure ze aw me yente Jackie na yenkosisi Jackie enyen sisi a wa hadden o chirema sisi ohunu ho asem kra na say or negative story a inyim ni nti omo ho bebre but the master no ye no kwara ama bigina dey say kam ho asem pa na say minyim di nyi ma onfam ho kra na bom say nyimpa no kan wasem no so onyimu no kan then is serious asasa because I check all this one nyimpa no onyimu na minyina adam no perceive adam no hu fa but obi onyimu so no retwa wale pa ya ma me twakọ dem ka trace bo achi na say me no wo twa male pa o social media Mami, I who some of Fukra because my mom is in so no none of fans no was mum papa but on farm because one more come as a minya no won into no jacking na maka cho there or election season into no mijina ha bia mama ya for election ho kakra bukom banku na owozongo fair na say ya catch ndo on magana for peace message in my hand may say is okay.
Any peace message to Ghanaians out there?
I don't have any peace to Ghanaian. I don't have any peace to somebody. Election with the go young kokuma. I don't give anybody advice. If you are saying you advise yourself, and then somebody come and advise yourself. I don't have any peace message for anybody. Young kokuma.
Any peace message to Ghanaians out there?
I don't have any peace to Ghanaian. I don't have any peace to somebody. Election with the go young kokuma. I don't give anybody advice. If you are saying you advise yourself, and then somebody come and advise yourself. I don't have any peace message for anybody. Young kokuma.
You know, but me chira bro food mo kakra. I don't have any peace to Ghanaian. I don't have any peace to somebody. O chirema only peace message bia ozil mo biara. Only peace message bia ozil magana ni biara. But if you have to sense, or if you have to say, well, say nyimyansa. Ebu tunfo ba pa na labu komma ko ba so ala pe tunfo ze ma me there be onzi ne banku ni wie. It's on tum na o mo tunfo in any way. It's wala tunfo. Ma me election tunfo papa. I don't have any peace to you. I don't have any peace to any Ghanaian. It's no election will be answered who ye and the middle best now. So no before that no last week no make sure there na Perez music or Bafaya. Oba post girl on the pictures was social do the mama ye man congrats mo fo ho kra mo to nkanyom you from abado weekend ya you from abado ntino ya one friend here no pictures na ye nya ntino mama share pictures ni bi na fe wa we gold and white or you come papa red the we also crash there no Saturday papa ntino congratulations kase nkoma gospel musician Perez music awori obesjina obesiye mbababom sikababom ahunya babom odo batnefie ho asomdwe batnefie ho no ntino Perez music congrats kesepa onkomo na morosordo ntino I don't have any peace to Ghanaian. I don't have any peace to somebody. If you have sense, advise yourself. Masordo is no e fancy do one more so mo to be bro nyina Dennis Masa Abraham Weber OPD Jessica Osmosis and onye na boy no nyame hwe won nyina Isaac Amwa and Isaac Amo Masordo